Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's crucial for our financial well-being: budgeting. If you've ever struggled to create a budget or had trouble sticking to one, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share some valuable tips on how to create and stick to a budget. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Set clear financial goals. Before you start creating a budget, it's important to know what you're working towards. Are you saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund? Having a clear goal in mind will motivate you to stick to your budget. Tip number 2. Track your expenses. To create an effective budget, you need to know where your money is going. Start by tracking all your expenses for a month. This will help you identify areas where you're overspending and make necessary adjustments. Tip number 3. Categorize your expenses. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, categorize your expenses into different categories such as housing, transportation, groceries, entertainment, and so on. This will make it easier to allocate your income and identify areas where you can cut back. Tip number 4. Differentiate between needs and wants. Differentiating between essential needs and discretionary wants is key to creating a realistic budget. Prioritize your needs like rent, utilities, and groceries, and allocate a portion of your income for wants like eating out or going to the movies. Be mindful of striking the right balance. Tip number 5. Use budgeting tools or apps. Technology can be a powerful ally in helping you create and stick to a budget. There are several budgeting apps available that can track your expenses, categorize spending, and even send you alerts when you're exceeding your budget. Experiment with different tools and find one that works best for you. Tip number 6. Plan for irregular expenses. Budgeting isn't just about monthly bills. It's important to account for irregular expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or vacations. Set aside a portion of your income each month in a separate savings account to cover these unexpected costs. This way, you won't have to rely on credit cards or loans when they arise. Tip number 7. Review and adjust your budget regularly. Your budget isn't set in stone. Life changes, and so do your financial circumstances. Review your budget regularly, at least once a month, and make adjustments as needed. This will ensure your budget remains relevant and realistic. Tip number 8. Find accountability and support. Budgeting can be challenging, especially when you're doing it alone. Find a friend or a family member who shares your financial goals and wants to stick to a budget too. Support each other, share tips and strategies, and hold each other accountable. Remember, you're in this together. Tip number 9. Celebrate your wins. Creating and sticking to a budget is no easy feat. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Did you pay off a debt? Reach a savings milestone? Treat yourself to something you enjoy without breaking the bank. Rewarding yourself will help maintain motivation and make the budgeting journey more enjoyable. Tip number 10. Be patient and persistent. Budgeting is a habit that takes time to develop. You may stumble along the way, overspend occasionally, or face unexpected financial setbacks. But don't give up. Stay persistent, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward. With time, budgeting will become second nature. And that's it for today's video. We hope these tips will help you create and stick to a budget successfully. Let us know in the comments below which tip resonated with you the most, or if you have any budgeting tips of your own to share. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future uploads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay budget savvy.